Once upon a time, in a big city, there was a girl named Emma. She was smart, she was kind, and she had a big dream: to be a lawyer. Emma was starting her first semester at law school. She was excited, nervous, and hopeful. It was a new city, a new life, and a new dream. Emma had always wanted to become a lawyer. She believed in justice. She believed in truth. And she was ready to work hard. She studied at a famous university. There she met many students, but one student was special. On her first day, she walked into the classroom and looked around. Everyone seemed busy, already talking or finding their seats. Then, she saw him. A tall, kind-looking boy with blonde hair and a soft smile. His name was Daniel. He smiled at her. "Hi, is this seat taken?" Emma shook her head. "No, you can sit here." They started talking. And from that moment, something changed. They laughed. They shared notes. They became friends quickly. He was funny. He was friendly. And he always helped Emma with her studies. Emma didn't know it yet, but her heart was already starting to fall for him. Weeks passed. Emma and Daniel studied together. They walked home after class. They sent each other funny texts and shared snacks in the library. They understood each other. Emma had never felt so close to someone. Emma and Daniel talked every day. They studied together. They laughed together. They shared their dreams. One night, while studying in the library, Daniel looked at her and said, "You make law school feel easy." Emma laughed. "You make it feel fun." They sat in silence for a moment. Their eyes met. Slowly, Daniel reached for her hand, and she didn't pull away. They kissed. It was soft, quick, and full of feeling. Emma felt happy. It felt like the beginning of something beautiful. 2 days later, Emma was walking across campus when she saw Daniel. He wasn't alone. He was holding hands with another girl. Emma's heart dropped. Later that day, Daniel messaged her. "Can we talk?" They met at the small park near the school. "Emma, I need to tell you something," he said. His face looked serious. She waited. "I have a girlfriend. Her name is Laura. We've been together since high school. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't plan any of this. But when I met you, I felt something I haven't felt in a long time." Emma's face turned red. Her eyes filled with tears. "You should have told me," she said quietly. "I know. I was scared. I didn't want to lose you." "You already did," she said. And she walked away. Emma was heartbroken. She felt betrayed. But she also felt strong. She focused on her studies. She spent time with friends. Slowly, her heart started to heal. Weeks passed. Then months. Emma focused on school. She worked hard. And slowly, she smiled again. She met someone new. His name was Lucas. He was kind, respectful, and honest. He liked books, just like Emma. They started talking, going to coffee shops, and helping each other with classwork. One day, Lucas told her, "I like you, Emma. I like your heart." She smiled. "I like you too." A few months later, Daniel came back. One afternoon, he called Emma. "Can we talk?" he asked. They met at a small cafe. Daniel said, "I broke up with my girlfriend. I was wrong. I want to be with you." He said he never stopped thinking about Emma. "Can we try again?" he asked. "I made a mistake. I was afraid. But now I know what I want. I want you." Emma looked at him. Her heart beat fast. She still had feelings for him, but something had changed. She took a deep breath. "Daniel, I loved you, but I also learned to love myself. I can't go back. I've started something new with someone who respects me." He nodded slowly. "I understand." She smiled kindly. "I hope you find what you're looking for." Emma walked out of the cafe. The sky was blue. The wind was soft. She walked away from Daniel that day with peace in her heart. She had learned that love can be beautiful, but also painful. And sometimes, letting go is the bravest thing you can do. Sometimes love is real, but timing is wrong. Sometimes we must let go to grow. Emma smiled. She was ready for the future, and the love she chose was the love that chose her too. She held Lucas's hand and looked ahead. Her story wasn't over. It was just beginning. Thanks for listening to Fluent Tales. Did this story inspire you? Subscribe to hear more English stories like this one. We learn best when we feel every word.